Here's how to increase your IDM download speed significantly with one setting change. Open IDM and click Options at the top. Select Connection from the drop-down. You will see a setting called Max Connection Number. By default, this is set to 8, which means IDM splits each download into 8 parallel streams simultaneously. Click the drop-down and change it to 32, the maximum available value. This tells IDM to split each file into 32 parallel download connections instead of 8, which can increase your download speed by up to several times, depending on your internet connection and the server you are downloading from. Click OK to save the change. Your next download will immediately use the new connection limit. You will notice the difference most on large files from fast service. Smaller files or servers with connection limits may not show as dramatic an improvement. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.